You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, let's break down this very interesting word from Italian. It designates a leisurely walk or a stroll. That's a bit of a tradition in Italy to go for a little walk in the evening. Let's break down how you say it. Passeggiata. Alright, so because you have double S, you need to stress on that double S. Passeggiata. Again, double G. It's a soft G here. Because you have two G's, you need to emphasize on it as well. Passeggiata, all right? Now you have some streets or little promenades that are named this way, so it can be a bit of a passage as well. You can, for the name of a street. Passeggiata is how they say it in Italy. Stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.